Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Tuesday, the 17th of March. That's St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day. And today we are sponsored by Clover. They're a local Boston restaurant chain based in Cambridge, but they're all around the Boston area. I've been eating there for a long time, as I've been talking about over the past several days. They are unique. It's amazing food. The thing I really like about them is they use local farmers to make these fresh and bold and big flavors for all of their meals. So whether you go to the restaurant or whether you get one of their meal boxes, which you could get the maple box, celebrating all things maple syrup, the Passover box, the Easter box. I have my Passover box coming in just a couple of weeks for Passover. Or you could just get one of their meal boxes. I've done the soup boxes and the taco boxes and the pizza boxes. They're all delicious. And they're offering $10 off using the promo code. That's $10 off using SpringDave10. You can find it all at www.iloveclover.com. And again, SpringDave with the number 10 gets you $10 off that box. All right, so we had the wind, we had the rain, some places losing power. We'll see how much cleanup there is to do here later on this morning. The good news is that it's going to be coming mostly sunny. Temperatures today in the 40s early and then falling back towards 40 and even into the 30s late at night. As we head for tomorrow, after starting in the 20s, we're only going to be in the 30s, mid to upper 30s, so it's a cold day. And then as we move ahead towards the daytime on Thursday, a little bit better, back into the 40s. Friday up near 50 with sunshine. Right now the weekend's not looking fantastic, but it's not looking that bad. It's kind of a blend of clouds and sun. A little bit brisk, mid-40s. There might be a few rain or snow showers. I don't see a big storm with this at all. I still think that next week at some point toward the end of the week we're going to get cold again. Now, are we going to get super cold? No, absolutely not. But there are considerable signs that we'll have some below average temperatures right after the equinox, whether or not, it's prolonged or not. We just got to be careful because as the buds start breaking on the fruit trees, we just don't want it to get too cold because that can cause damage. It can go below freezing. It just can't go too much below freezing. We'll wait and see what happens for that. Have a great day, everybody.